What if I told you there was a way to use Quora.com to drive some secret traffic to affiliate marketing offers where you don't have to spend any money to start and you don't have to create the content yourself either? If I told you that, would you subscribe and hit the notification bell? Then go right ahead, because that is exactly what we're doing in the video today. And we're getting straight into that video now. Now, the website I'll be using is Digistore24. And I'm using Digistore24, well, because the last video was about ClickBank, and some variation is good. And just like ClickBank, you can create your account for free to get started. But once you do that and get logged in, you have a ton of options to choose here, many categories. And I suggest starting with one of them that you're somewhat interested in, because you will be creating some content. And even though it's going to be created automatically, you still have to read it a little bit. Now, I'm interested in internet marketing and e-business, so that's which option I'll be going with. There are a lot of good options here on the first page of the results, but it seems everybody are trying to promote these, so I'll go on to the second page, which still has good products to promote. What you could also do is come up here to the marketplace, all offers on the affiliate marketplace. And what you have here is a list of 535 results of the top ranking sales products. What this would have done here is pull products from all of these different categories. So you know what? Let's do it this way. So I am looking for a product that I'm interested in promoting. Continue to the next page. Wait a minute, I think I saw a product on the first page of the results. There was something along the lines of making money online. Right, I know I saw something here. This product here called GenieScript is a make money online related product. What was particularly interesting in this one is that it's 80% commission that you'll be getting if you sell this product. Not only is it ranking number 4, but the cart conversion is almost 20%. And that means for every 5 people that add this to cart, 1 person actually checks out and pays. So to grab our link, all you'll have to do is hit promote now and copy this link. Well, that was the easy part. Now is how do you actually drive traffic to the affiliate link so that you can make some money from those commissions. And in case you were guessing it was YouTube we're going to use to drive that traffic, you're wrong. It's Quora we're going to be using today. As you can see, there are a lot of people asking questions about making money online. A lot of questions. The thing with Quora is if we respond to one of these questions with a really good answer, we still cannot put our affiliate link in there. And I've learned this the hard way by Quora actually deleting the post when you just paste an affiliate link in there. So you can't do that. But here is what you could do. Go up to your profile, inside of there, edit. And here is where you can paste that affiliate link. As you can see, I was promoting my YouTube link on this account. I'll just modify it here and state something like #1 legit resource to start making money online. But I don't want to just paste the affiliate link here just like this. Let's make it look a little bit better by using a link shortener. And I always use Bitly for that. It works great, so why fix what's not broken? After you create an account for free, hit create, paste your long link in there, and then hit create. Copy that short link. Let's bring that back now to our profile, paste that in there, and then hit update. So how this is going to work, when we answer all of those questions, we're going to mention in the answer to visit my profile for the #1 legit resource to start making money online. And when somebody comes to the profile, here's the link. Now, Quora seems to be cool with this so far. And when they click this now, it takes them to the affiliate page, the sales page, where this site now does all of the selling for you, motivating somebody else to want to make money online. And when somebody who wants to see these emails, letting them know that they received money. And that's good news for you, because when 5 of those people add that to their cart, according to this 18% cart conversion, 1 of those people buys. Okay, great. So now that we have that set up, let's now find questions that people are actually searching for, questions that are getting a lot of views every week. And this is one way of doing it, by searching for the topic of the affiliate offer, which is make money online. And there are a lot of questions here that you could choose from. But the smart way of doing this is to find the questions that are actually getting views now. So to do that, come up to your profile and go down to, where is it? Ads Manager. And you can start a campaign. These are some campaigns I started recently, like subscribe right now. Don't forget to subscribe. I didn't mean to make that obvious, but there's a gentle reminder again right there. Now you can come up here and hit start a new campaign, but I'll just go ahead and click one of these previous ones. Now, none of these are actual campaigns. These are just dummy campaigns I use to get the questions that we need next. So I'll just select one of these, hit create ad set, choose questions, bulk ad, and search for make money online and hit continue. Now look at this magic here. All of these questions are about making money online, but what's even more useful here is you can see the weekly views for all of these questions. So what I'm going to do next is open up some of these in different tabs and start answering them. Open a new tab, open a new tab. Maybe we could just do one more. Open a new tab. Now, for the sake of time, I will just answer one of these questions. Even though I might get more watch time if I answer all of them, you may click off of the video, which I don't want you to do, so keep on watching. Okay, so what is the best way to earn money online? Now, I can go ahead and type all of this out, but I don't really want to. I'd prefer to be answered automatically, because especially since a robot might be able to answer it better than I could. So let's just do that. I'll just lean on my friend Jasper over here to answer these questions for me automatically. And there's a link in the description below where you can get your 10,000 words for free if you wanted to try this out yourself. And once you do that, come over to New. Go down to, there's Quora answer somewhere here. There it is. I'll ask the exact question from Quora. Where is it? What is the best way to earn money online? Now, typing this is like too much words, so I'll just copy this one as well. Paste it over here, and then hit Generate AI Content. And just a few not even a few seconds, Jasper already came up with 3 different answers that I can choose. And after browsing these 3, I think this last one here is the most suitable. So I'll just click that, copy this information, head back over to Quora now, paste the answer right here, make sure and format it properly. And I'm not going to paste any affiliate link at the bottom here, because then Quora will delete the answer and then this video will not make any sense. But I want this video to make sense. So what I'll do instead is this. At the ending of the post, I'll say something like, if you're interested in finding out more, visit my profile for the best way that I've found to start earning money online. And then hit post. And what you do next is just repeat that by going back to the list of questions here that gets a lot of weekly views, clicking one of them, and responding to one of these questions here, using Jasper AI to answer the questions, with of course subtly mentioning the information that you have in your bio. But you really want them to go there because that is how you're going to get paid, when they click that link and are then taken to this page. And the more times that you do that, it will increase the chances of you making your first commission using this method. Now, this method is working and it's awesome, but there's an additional method that works hand in hand with this one, where instead of just sending somebody to the link in your profile with the affiliate link, using that in combination with sending them to a YouTube video where they can get even more value from you. And to find out the most effective way to set that up, you're going to want to check out this video next. So I'll see you over there.